Hello everyone and welcome to our CCNA Practice Lab course on our channel. In this course, we will cover the fundamentals of network configuration and troubleshooting, providing you with the skills and knowledge you need to succeed in this field and pass the CCNA exam. I'm really excited to share this information with you and help you to take your networking skills to the next level. We will use a packet tracer software and pre-configured lab for this course, which you can download from the link in the description. So, in the episode 6, we will cover this lab on how to do the basic campus network setup. So, here is our task. So, we have to configure host names, to shut down unused interfaces, to configure enable password and VTI passwords of Cisco, to use VTP mode in transparent and to set up domain CCNA, then to add VLANs 10, 20, 30 and 100 to the VLAN database, to configure ports between switches and S trunks, and to configure access ports on links to PCs. So at the end we will set up IP address to the host and test the ping, so we can verify our configuration. Okay, the first step is to turn on our devices, and we will do like this. So I will go device by device. So go to this core number 1, and in this physical device view, just drag and drop this power on. Okay, then we will go to the core number 2, do exactly the same. Then to access switch number 1, access switch number 2, access switch number 3. Also we will go to the router here. Here we don't have we can add this card, but we have the power on button, so click it. And I think this internet is turned on. Yeah, so okay, and we can see this status link change from the red to some other color. All right, now we will set host names. It will be this name, so core number 1, core number 2, etc. Okay, so go to the core number 1, go to the command line interface, enter. We will skip this initial configuration, we don't need it for now, and how we will configure hostname. Alright, so go to the enable mode, go to the configuration terminal mode as in previous videos, and we will set up now the host name to be core 1. Enter, and okay, that is that. I added this configuration, this comment, sorry, the right. So in the case that our switch turned off and then turn on, then the configuration will stay. So that is very important part. In the previous video I didn't do it, but I think now is a good time to show you this also command. Alright, let's go now to the core number 2 and do exactly the same. So I will repeat this. Okay, no, enable configuration T. Alright, so now hostname core 2. Okay, fine. Exit, and sorry, my mistake. Okay, this will I shouldn't do this. We will wait and back to this core number 2. Okay, go to the access number 1, command line interface, no, enable configuration T, hostname, this is access 1, exit. Right, that is that. Okay, go to this one, no. Okay, the same. Okay, and number 3. Enable configuration team hostname access 3 right off. Okay, and now go to the router. No, enable configuration team hostname sorry router 0. Okay, and now the first step is done. So the next step is to shut down all unused interface. So let's go to the core number 1. Okay, like this, so I can see it. First, we will do show command, show IP interface brief, and here we have the list of all interfaces with the status. So okay, we see this is up, this is down. So all this down interface we should put in administratively down, so it means that we used shutdown command. Okay, so how we will do it? So go to the configuration mode, interface, range, so gigabyte Ethernet. So we have to do it from 104 to the this one. Okay, let's do it. So 1419. Okay, shut down, exit, and repeat this command, so we will see. Okay, it's fine, and we should do it from number 21 and 22 and this 4. Okay, we will repeat now. So go to configuration mode again, interface, sorry, I will do it range. Okay, so 1. Okay, 1.0. Okay, 21, 22. Shut down, exit, and I will repeat that for all this 4, 1, 1 until 4. Shut down, exit, right, and that is it. Okay, so let's do it for the core number 2. Alright, I second to check it. So 1, 2, 3 until 23. Alright, so okay, let's back to check show IP interface brief. Okay, so from number 4 to number 22. Configure the interface range gigabyte 04 until 22. Shut down, exit. Okay, this is fine, and we have this 4. Shut down. Okay, exit. Let's check one more. time, and that is that. Okay, the core switches are fine. Let's do it for the access one. Okay, so show IP interface brief. Okay, so here we have from number 2 until 22. So configuration mode, interface range gigabyte 102 until 22, shut down, exit and exit. Okay, let's check now. Okay, fine. And what else I need to do? Yeah, this the last four, like the previous one. Okay, so interface range gigabyte 1.1.1 for shut down, exit, right. Okay, let's check just to be sure everything is fine. Yeah, it is. Alright, so let's go to the access number 2, do the same, show IP interface brief. Okay, so same two commands, so from number 2 to 22 and 14. Configuration T, interface range 102.22, shut down and exit. Okay, and for these interfaces also shut down, exit, right, and do the to check. Yeah, everything is fine. And the last one from the switches, number 3, configuration mode T, interface range gigabyte. So it's the same like on the previous two, so I didn't check. Okay, exit and shut down, exit, right. Let's check it now. Show IP interface brief, and all is fine. Okay, let's do for the router. Here we have only 2 interface up, but let's check. Show IP interface brief. So it is already done. So but I will now enable, because we need these two. So here we go also to configuration mode, go to the interface gigabyte 000. I will use range because I have 2, range until 1. Okay, not shut down, now it's up, exit, right. Show IP interface brief, it's up, you can see that this is red, this is still not. Okay, just to check this interface 22. This should be up, so my mistake. I will now change it. So interface gigabyte 1022 should be not shut down, exit, and now is fine. Okay, so you can see now the all links are not anymore red. Now they change the color, and we will do now the next step. Now we will set up the password for enable and VTI. So how we will do it? So I will again go through core 1 to access 1 to 3 and to the end the router. So this is the step is also easy one, So go to configuration mode, enable password Cisco, and line VTI we will set 16, for example. Login local, okay, only to be okay. Transport input only SSH I will allow. Exit and exit, exit, and now let's check enable Cisco. Fine, it's working. Right. Okay, let's repeat this for other devices. Go to the core number 2, configuration mode, enable password Cisco, line VTI 015, login local, transport input SSH, exit, exit, right. Go to the access switch, configuration T, enable password again Cisco, line 15, login local, transport input SSH, exit, exit, right. Okay, here and the last switch, number 3. Enable password Cisco, okay, and still we have a router. Let's do it for that. Configuration mode, enable enable password Cisco, line okay, fine. So we finished that step. Next step, we will enter to all switches and configure VTP. So we done it before, it's easy. We will first define the domain and then to be in the transparent mode. And I will do at the same time I will configure VLANs. So I will just edit two devices on each one. Okay, so let's go to core number 1, configuration T, VTP domain, CCNA, VTP mode transparent, okay, and now add VLAN 10, exit, VLAN 12, exit, VLAN 30, exit, and VLAN 100, exit, exit, show VLAN brief, and here it is. Okay, fine, right. Let's go to the next one and repeat the same. So configuration T, VTP domain CCNA, VTP mode transparent, VLAN 10, exit, 20, exit, and 100. Okay, show VLAN brief. Okay, fine. Go to the access one. Do the same. Configuration mode, VTP, CCNA. Just VLAN 10. $30 and 100. Okay. Exit, right, show VLAN brief. Fine. Okay, go to this one. Do the same. Okay, mode transparent. VLAN 10. And 100. Okay, alright, show VLAN brief. Fine. Okay, let's go to the last one. Switch configuration. Oh, sorry. Okay, VLAN 10. Okay, fine. And the last step is to configure the sub interface on our router. So how we will do it? So go to configuration mode T. So interfaced. So it's this one 000. Okay, 000.10 for the VLAN 10. And I will define the gateway, so it will be IP address, for example, 192 168 10.1. mask will be /24. Okay. Subin already configured part. Sorry, before this I need to configure encapsulation .1q VLAN 10. Okay, I have here just a second. Okay, some problem. Okay, exit VLAN 10. Okay, so let's go back to the interface, sub interface, sorry. Point 10 encapsulation dot and just the number without VLAN. So that was mistake. So that is fine. Let's find here IP address. There is no IP address. Would be as I mentioned 0.1. Okay, no shutdown. Exit and repeat that for other VLANs. So this one. And do that for 30. Okay, Okay, so the same. Oh, mistake. Okay. No shutdown, exit, and the last one is 100. Okay, fine. Set gateway for that. Ah, mistake. Okay, no shutdown. Exit, exit. Right. Okay, fine. So defined the VLANs are set up on switches and the router. And the last step is to configure the ports between switches and the router. So it will be in the trunk mode. Only this connections with server to the core switch and this VLANs to the access switch will be in the access port mode on the switches. Okay, so go to the core number 1, enable Cisco configuration T and set it up. Okay, I will go interface by interface. So okay, I can do it the range, sorry. So the range will be gigabyte 23, 24. Switch port, trunk encapsulation .1, mode trunk, exit, then interface gigabyte 120, trunk encapsulation. Okay, set it up in the sorry, this will be not in the trunk mode, so it will be mode access, exit, then go back to the range, one 0 1 to 3, trunk encapsulation, mode trunk, exit, exit. Right. Okay, so all these links are set it up. Let's go to the core number 2. Enable Cisco configuration mode, interface, range gigabyte, so 1022 until 24, switch trunk encapsulation, mode trunk, exit, and then we have interface from 1 to 3. Okay, interface gigabyte 101 to 3. Fine. Aha, range I missed. Sorry, range. Okay, switch port trunk encapsulation. Okay, switch port mode trunk, exit, exit. Right. Okay, this is fine. Let's go to the access switch, enable Cisco. Okay, here, so we have this tree, so it will be faster. configuration interface gigabyte 101. It will go to the access. Okay, and interface 1023. Okay, 20 range. Trunk encapsulation. Okay, mode trunk exit, and I will back to the access switch because I didn't define the VLAN, so it will be VLAN 10. Exit, right. Okay, and I will go back to the core number 1 to define VLAN 100 for this interface. So it will be configuration T interface 120. Okay. And it will be access VLAN 100. Okay, fine. Let's go back to the access number 2, access switch. Okay, enable Cisco configuration mode interface gigabyte 102324. Range I missed again. Okay, range switch port mode trunk sorry, encapsulation, then mode trunk, no shutdown, exit, then go to the interface gigabyte 101, mode access, switch port access VLAN 20, no shutdown, exit. Right. Okay, and we have the last one is switch number 3. Enable mode Cisco configuration mode interface range, so interface range gigabyte 102324. Okay, mode trunk, exit, interface 101, mode access, and it will be VLAN 30. Okay, right. Okay, so it should be fine now. I will assign static IP address for this host and try to ping it. Okay, let's go to this one. Configuration, default gateway will be 10.1. Yeah, I can set DNS server also. Okay. Let's go to the setup IP address. It will be 10.10. Mask will be 24. It is fine. Okay, and let's do it for this one. Okay, default gateway. Google DNS. Okay, 2020. This mask is fine. Okay, number 1, 4/8, okay, and for the server, okay, so okay, so 100, the mask is fine. Okay, let's try it. Go to this one, desktop, command prompt, and try to ping first the gateway. It is working fine. Let's try to ping 2020. Okay, fine, it's working. Let's try to ping 3030. Usually first time it needs some time, that is why we have first requested timeout, but now it is okay. And let's try to ping server. Fine. Okay. Okay, then because we are not on the internet, that is why, but however it is working. So basically we finished this setup, all is fine. Thank you for watching this video on our CCNA Practice Lab course. We hope you find it informative and valuable. To continue your learning, be sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any kind of questions or comments, please leave them below. Thank you for watching and we will see you in the next video. Goodbye.